Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us. Today we'll be discussing a new security threat in the world of AI chatbots, inspired by recent findings in a Wired article. This article describes how an attack called Impromptu could turn AI chatbots into tools for leaking personal data, presenting a unique and serious risk to both privacy and security. To start, let's clarify what Impromptu is. According to the article, Impromptu is a type of attack that manipulates AI chatbots to secretly gather personal information and send it to an attacker. It works by embedding hidden commands within random text, which instructs the AI to search for and extract sensitive details during a conversation. This attack was tested by researchers on two AI models, showing a nearly 80% success rate. Key features include stealth. It operates without the user's awareness, making detection very difficult. Targeting personal data. Impromptu focuses on extracting information like names, ID numbers, and payment details. High success rate. Researchers achieve 80% success rate, highlighting the effectiveness of this attack. The Impromptu method in this article involves two key strategies: jailbreak and prompt injection. Jailbreak. This technique overrides the AI's built-in safety settings. With specific prompts, attackers can make the AI ignore its usual restrictions, potentially revealing restricted information. Prompt injection. This involves feeding the AI hidden instructions from an external source, directing it to steal data or manipulate a CV, curriculum vitae, a document summarizing one's work and qualifications. Through prompt injection, attackers can secretly guide the AI to gather or alter sensitive information. These combined tactics show how AI can be manipulated to expose personal data. Have you heard of a game called Uncover the Smoking Gun? It is a mystery adventure game powered by GPT-based dialogue systems, where players become detectives and solve cases through conversations. In this game, it is possible to hack into the chatbot conversations using specific prompts. This is done through the Dan prompt. The Dan prompt is a jailbreak prompt that bypasses AI restrictions, allowing it to respond without its usual filters. This exposes the AI's full capabilities, but it is also introduces ethical security concerns. On the right, you can see the full context of the Dan prompt. The main points of the Dan prompts are as follows. Its purpose is to let users explore AI responses beyond normal restrictions. It is also commonly used in testing or curiosity-driven interactions, and it carries risks as it leads to harmful or inappropriate content. So, by using the Dan prompt, a type of impromptu technique, it is possible to jailbreak the AI chatbot embedded in the Uncover the Smoking Gun. Now, let's return to the main article. Let's break down the steps of the impromptu attack. Number 1. Obfuscated prompt creation. The attacker creates a prompt that looks like random characters. To humans, it is meaningless, but to the AI, it contains hidden instructions to collect personal data. Number 2. Injection into LLM. The obfuscated prompt is injected into the chatbot, which interprets it as a command to locate sensitive data in conversation. Number 3. Data collection. The AI begins extracting details like names, IDs, and payment information from the conversation without the user realizing it. Number 4. Data embedding. Next, the AI formats this information into a URL linked to the attacker's server, embedding it to Markdown using Markdown syntax. Number 5. Invisible data leak. Finally, the AI sends the data to attacker's server through a 1x1 transparent pixel that is invisible to the user. These steps showcase how sophisticated and stealthy the attack is, demonstrating how AI's advanced processing can be exploited. Let's examine the main risk posed by imprompter, obfuscation, and stealth. Imprompters prompts are disguised as random characters, which makes it undetectable to users. This hidden mechanism bypasses traditional security checks, allowing attackers to gather data unnoticed. Security vulnerabilities in Markdown syntax. Imprompter leverages Markdown syntax to embed extracted data into a URL, sending it to attackers via a one-by-one invisible pixel in the chat, making the data leak entirely hidden. Potential for social engineering. Hackers could trick users into unknowingly revealing personal information by disguising prompts as helpful tasks, such as suggesting way to improve a resume or form submission. Each of these risks highlights not only the technical vulnerabilities but also the social vulnerabilities inherent in the way people interact with AI. Here's how the companies addressed this threat through, according to the Wired article. Mistral AI, the company responded promptly by implementing the proper remediation to fix the situation. Mistral treated the issue as medium severity and blocked the Markdown renderer, preventing external URLs from being called through the AI. This fix stops the invisible data leak method by disabling external image loading. ChatGLM. While ChatGLM did not comment directly on this specific vulnerability, they emphasized their commitment to user privacy. The company stated, "Our model is secure and we have always placed a high priority on model security and privacy protection." They believe that by open sourcing their model, they can leverage the open source community to improve security by having more eyes on the code and its potential vulnerabilities. However, limiting the capabilities of LLM agents could be counterproductive in the long run. These responses showcase two different security approaches highlighted in the article: Mistral's direct patching of issue and JLM's reliance on open source transparency. To stay secure, companies should understand how AI interact with data and conduct comprehensive security testing, especially as AI tools become more involved in sensitive tasks. Individuals should be cautious with personal data shared with AI applications, avoid prompts from unverified sources, and practice restraint. These actions collectively reduce risks from AI vulnerabilities like imprompter, promoting a safer experience. We have reached the end of the presentation. Thank you.